Hi guys, so for today's video we're going to make Bolognese Cheese Fries. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all we take 700 grams of potatoes and we just chop them into fries. Then we're going to pop them into a bowl and just spray them off with some low calorie cooking oil and give them a mix round. Now at this point you can either pop them onto a tray, put them into a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 25 or 30 minutes just until they're cooked. I'm going to cook mine in the air fryer, so I'm just going to pop them into the basket that comes with it. Now while our fries are cooking, we're going to get our vegetables ready and to make our bolognese sauce. So first of all we take a red pepper. You can take any colour pepper you like and we're just going to dice it up. Pop it to the side while we get the rest of our vegetables ready. So next then we're going to take a medium onion. We're just going to slice it finely. Again we're going to pop that to the side and just leave it while we get our carrots ready. Now folks, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It does help and it means that I can make further videos for you. So now we just take a carrot, top and tail it, slice it down the middle, and then we're just going to cut it into small cubes. Then we'll take 2 cloves of garlic, just going to peel those and we'll set them to the side for crushing later. Now we're over to a frying pan, spray with some low calorie cooking oil, and to that we're going to add 250 grams of beef mince. Just give that a stir around and let that cook for about 5 minutes just until it starts to brown. Then to that we're going to add our vegetables, so our chopped carrot, our chopped red pepper and our sliced onion. Then we're going to crush garlic. Give that a stir around, let that cook for 2 or 3 minutes just until the vegetables start to soften. Now to that we're going to add 1 tablespoonful of tomato puree and 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes. Give that a stir around, let that cook down and thicken. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoonful of Worcestershire sauce, 1 beef stock pot, a teaspoonful of dried herbs, and a tablespoonful of balsamic vinegar. Again we'll give that a stir around, just let that thicken up until our sauce is just nice and thick the way we want it. So now that our sauce is thickened and our fries are cooked, we're just going to take the fries out, pop them into a separate bowl, and then we're going to top them with the bolognese sauce. And then on top of that we're going to put 25 grams of mature cheddar cheese. And then we're going to take these over, pop them under a preheated grill, let them cook just until the cheese is browned. And now they're ready to serve. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my further videos.